Hello Dixie Belle fans, my name is Melissa. I am with the Top Drawer RVA located in Richmond, Virginia. Today I'm going to show you everything that you need to know about best staying wax in clear. Dixie Belle's Best Staying Wax in Clear is a water-based wax product. You would use this product after your paint surface has been dry for more than 24 hours in order to help seal and protect your work. Alright, let's begin. There's a couple of ways that you can apply your wax. The way that I like to do this best and easiest for me is to apply it with a wax brush. You can also use a cloth, and then you can also buff it back with a cloth. I use a wax brush, dip it in, not too much, less is more in this case, and apply it to my surface in a circular motion. Once you get that circular motion completed all the way down, I like to go back and forth, left to right, in order just to make sure that I've hit my whole entire painted area. Okay, let's go over those tips once again. Dixie Belle wax comes in kind of a white, milky consistency. When it dries clear. You're going to apply it over top of a smooth, painted surface that has been dry for 24 hours. Once your paint is dry and you're ready to apply your wax, you're going to apply it with the wax brush. You're going to wait 15 minutes, and then you're going to buff it back with a cloth.